hero of the rails. It was summer on Sodor. The sky was bright blue. The fields were full of flowers, and the birds sang sweetly. As Thomas filled up with water, he
If you are hearing this message, your life is in extreme danger. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A tanker truck carrying 20 pounds of sodium chloride has tipped over and is spreading toxic smoke everywhere. At this time, close all doors and turn off all air conditioning and heating.